upbeat music playing. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we take the guesswork out of your shopping decisions. Today, we're diving into the skies with two high-flying contenders: the Holy Stone HS440 foldable FPV drone and the Holy Stone GPS drone HS360S. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's two drones duking it out for aerial supremacy. Let's see which one soars and which one crashes and burns. First up, let's talk cameras. The HS440 boasts a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. Reviewers have found it decent for casual captures, like backyard BBQs. But the HS360S just laughed and said, "Hold my propellers," because it's packing a 4K UHD camera with a Galaxy Core sensor. Reviewers rave about its stunning image quality, making it ideal for more professional shots. That's like comparing a disposable camera to a DSLR. Sorry, HS440, but in the world of drones, size does matter, and hydrogen sulfide S's camera is the kingpin. Next, let's talk airtime. Both drones offer a 20-minute flight time. Reviewers are pleased with this duration, stating it's just enough time to capture some great footage before needing a battery swap. So we'll call this one a tie. Now, for all you drone newbies out there, the HS440 is your best buddy. It's got headless mode, altitude hold, and emergency stop. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and durability, even after multiple crashes. Meanwhile, the HS360S is like the cool older sibling who's already graduated from drone school. With GPS positioning, return home function, and intelligent recording modes like spiral up and catapult, it's ready to show off. But beware, it might make you feel like you're still flying a kite. Reviewers love its advanced features, but note it requires some experience to fully utilize. Let's talk money, honey. The HS440 is priced at a sweet $129. Reviewers find it a fun and affordable option for learning to fly. On the other hand, the HS360S will set you back $209. It's more of an investment, but reviewers believe it's worth every penny for its advanced features and superior quality. So if you're ballin' on a budget, the HS440 is your go-to. But if you've got some extra cash burning a hole in your pocket, the HS360S is worth every penny. Finally, let's talk portability. The HS440 is foldable and comes with a handy carrying case. Reviewers love its portability, making it perfect for spontaneous flights when you're on the go. The HS360S is lightweight, under 250 grams, which means no FAA registration. It's like the ninja of drones, stealthy and ready to fly without any red tape. Reviewers appreciate its convenience and ease of transport. So whether you're a traveler or just hate paperwork, the HS360S has you covered. Overall, both drones have received positive reviews. The HS440 is praised for its ease of use, durability, and affordability, making it a great choice for beginners. On the other hand, the HS360S is lauded for its advanced features, superior camera quality, and overall performance, making it ideal for those with a bit more experience. And there you have it, folks. The HS440 is perfect for beginners and those on a budget, while the HS360S is for the pros who want top-notch quality and advanced features. Which drone is the right one for you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a high-flying episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep your drones high and your wallets smart. Upbeat music playing end screen with channel logo and subscribe button. Product links are in the description.